Alright, so this training is on how to navigate your members area. Um, Once you're here, you'll get the training. This is still usable for now until I fully replace the 6 weeks bot course. So if that's still there, use it. Okay, anyways, you want to go over here and get your license, and this is the resource file. Now you click on the top level to get to the downloads area. There's these beta versions. Download this and you'll always get the latest updates. Now this will be the latest stable profitable version that you can run. Unpack those and then modify the API key and all that stuff to your personal information, and you should be up and running. Okay, now there is information on how to get your bot installed here, so go through these videos too. Okay, now if you're having problems on installing it and some troubleshooting stuff, click on those links on the side here and you'll be able to figure out the support files that you need, issues that you might have, and then if it still doesn't run, update that. So these are little steps for you to kind of make sure that you're up and running. Okay, now these are other troubleshooting areas where maybe it's you didn't meet the requirements or whatever. Maybe I should put this up a little bit. Make sure you have all these installed. Do not check that out. Make sure that's all good there, and then go over these videos there, and then you should be good. Okay. Another thing is Vultr servers. We can't really use them, so get a Headstone server based on that link there. Okay, and then your license would be right here. Okay. Now, if you have multiple licenses here, you'll be able to generate multiple licenses. If you just have one, then you're stuck with that one. Now, I believe this is supposed to have 2 licenses, one for testing, one for... So I'll make sure that gets 2. That way, if it is, you can generate the additional one. Okay. And then this license, this is a test account, so I'll probably deactivate this too. So. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. You'll probably get more of the content here on the next one as it goes through on how to set up your bots and start training with it. Okay, all right, thanks for watching.